Hello, it's me again. Yeah, look at the width of this river. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I could imagine this, wow, in flood. Last year they had a terrible flood. It wiped out 2 bridges. Quite a distance to walk down to show you where it wiped it out. But yeah, it took out a whole bridge. You can probably see in the distance there, the mashave I'm on. I can zoom. You might be able to see it. There we are, look. Up at the top. But yeah, this is one hell of a river. See how dry this is. Look at it. Incredible. Loads of beautiful things to see out here. The other day I was walking, I didn't take the camera, I just went out for a little trek. I see 5 gazelle. I was well buggered off because I didn't have the camera. It's the first time I not took the camera. But yeah, it's a bit overcast. I was hoping the sun would have been out today, but in a way I'm glad it didn't, because it would have been hard walking today. It's still quite humid now. It must have been what, 50s, 60s, even though the sun's not in. But yeah, I'm loving it. Loving it, I am. You need to get your horses out here. Come and visit. You're lovely. It's a beautiful place. Very peaceful, very quiet. I'm going to walk up here. I'm going to take a shortcut over to Kadesh. It's not far now. 15 minutes and I'll be there. Now look at this lot over here. Amazing. This is where the river joins another river. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the sand up there. Amazing. See everywhere. Yeah, back there, look, the river. Fantastic. I have to be careful walking on this. Look. Oh look, little ant's nest, if you can see it. Not many in that one. Seen some big ones while I've been out here. Big ants. Big ants. Seen a lot of lizards today, but they're so quick. You ain't got time to even photograph them. Incredible. Yeah, let's keep walking. See how barren it is. And dry. Look at the cracks in here from the clay. Some beautiful wild flowers here. I think this could be chamomile. I don't know. It's lovely. More cracks in the clay. Very dry. Very dry, very dry. But yeah, this is part of the Negev desert. Lovely. Let's keep walking now. Should be in Kadesh soon. This is part 2 of the river walk. Did part 1 earlier. It's lovely. Walking. Yeah, lovely. Some hills of stone. I think that's where they've washed up in the distance. We might have a bit of rain in a minute, but I'm not bothered. Wish it would rain. Dampen down here. It's quite humid. Very dry. Let's have a look up here. Look. See what we got up here. A bit of a sand dune. More wildflowers. Same ones, I think. Some more ones here. Lots of beautiful stone. Beautiful stone. Look at the size of this one. This is a hell of a stone. Oh wow. It's quite funky. Right, eh? Funky. Like something's dropped out of the sky. Amazing. Not far now. Here we're coming up. Lovely. Go and get some supplies. There's a big black ant going in his nest. Yeah, amazing. There's 3 black ants. He's got a rock here, look at him. Yeah, lovely. I could sit and watch these all day. Fascinate me, ants do. They never stop, man. They must be on speed or something. Wonderful, wonderful to be out here. I love it, I absolutely love it. So peaceful, no one to bother me. Yeah, amazing. Oh, there's my feet, look, as I'm walking. I think it's time for a shave though. Looking more like Grizzly Adams or Robinson Crusoe every day. I just can't be bothered, you know. No one sees me. And it's really cool to have a beard in Israel. But it's starting to bloody itch a bit now. I'll go through this little ravine thing here, look. Oh, here we go, step up here. Come into this little river. Well, there's no water. But wonderful. Wonderful. Lovely. I love it. Oh, I'm not lost. I'll go this way. I need to get over to here, and then I'll be there then. Amazing. Look at the size of this rock. I don't know if it's rock, it looks like flint to me. Look at that. That's incredible. Look at the design. Look at all this. Wow, man. Wow. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, wow, look at this. All these fossils in here. I think they're fossils. It's incredible. All these in here. Amazing. Just love the texture of the desert. It's incredible texture. This is, oh wow. This is amazing. Sorry, Mr. Rock, I'll have to climb up on you. Look at it. Amazing. I think that could be antelope poo. Keep going. Right, I'm going to have to stop in a minute. Just about finishing this one. Nearly in Kadesh. Civilization. How quiet it is though. I think that's where a big rabbit lives or something. Don't know. It's lovely. I could live in there. I could. Back to there. Lovely. Nice. Look at the colours. Different colours of the bushes. It's been very dry. Very, very dry. It is. Coming up now to the road. Different colours. I don't know what this is. It looks very white. Beautiful texture. Fantastic textures. Look at the texture of this lot. Amazing. Just love it. Absolutely love it. So, oh, wow. I think this is all flint. Amazing. This is solid. Wonderful. Little bit of plastic there. Oh well. See you all later. Over and out. Ratty's River Walk, Part 2. Look at this, amazing. I could spend hours out here. Literally hours. Literally hours. Anyway, must go. Going on to the road now. See you all later. Bye.